Welcome to your TRX Suspension Trainer Guide. Here in this video, I'm going to be giving you over 25 different exercises, all with the TRX Suspension Trainer. You want to watch this entire video because throughout this video, I'm going to be giving you tips, tricks that you need to know when you are doing these TRX exercises. As well, this is part 5 of my series of videos that are all going to be utilizing the TRX. I'm going to make sure to link those above in this video as well as in the description down below. You want to make sure that you stay until the very end of this video as well, because I'm going to be giving you a free TRX guide. All you have to do is look at the description down below and you'll be able to get that free TRX guide. 25 total body TRX exercises. Let's get to it. Tip number 1, starting incorrectly. Always make sure that you are keeping your body in the correct posture, like you see that I'm doing throughout this entire video, as well as throughout all of my exercises when doing the TRX exercises. Tip number 2, always make sure that you're keeping your abs tight throughout the entire duration of these exercises. It's going to keep you safe, effective, and make sure that you work out your muscles correctly. Tip number 3, when you're using a TRX, make sure that you are not sawing the TRX piece of equipment side by side, which actually wears and tears on the equipment. Tip number 4, always make sure that you are keeping the correct length on your TRX exercises. Some TRX exercises need longer lengths than others, while some need them actually extra short. Make sure you're keeping it at the correct length. Tip number 5, always make sure you have fun. Yo, just like that, that was my 25 TRX exercises. Remember, this was a video made specifically for you guys, Everybody has been telling me how much they love the TRX videos that I've been bringing out so much. I had to do another one for you guys. Again, this is part 5. I'm gonna make sure to link all of the other videos down below so you can check out the other 4 videos that I have with the TRX, as well as the other videos that I have with the TRX RIP Trainer. Thank you guys again so much for watching this video. Make sure that you guys like, comment, and share this video. I'd greatly appreciate it. And I'll see you guys in the next TRX video. Peace out.